Hey everybody, welcome to the How to PC channel. My name is Nick and today I'm going to be showing you how to edit text in document image or how to replace a letter in document in Photoshop. So let's get started. Find the necessary word you want to change. For example, let's change security to deposit to payment, for example. So all you need to do is just select the lasso tool right here and select the necessary area you want to remove. For example, this is the deposit word, or you can just select a letter. For example, just remove D. Then right click on the color, select the color of the background, click OK. Then right click on your area, put the concrete, and here select the first option, the basic color, and click on OK. Click Ctrl plus D, and here you can see that the word isn't removed completely. So to remove it completely, select the stamping tool, then click with Alt right here, and just delete this word completely. Okay. And here it is. Here's the result. So now there's empty. After that, you have to add a new text like this. Then type here the word payment in my case. Okay. And then you have to select the necessary font. So in my case, it's Arial. Let's just select here 24, so you can compare your text like I did, and then just change this word to the necessary one, for example, payment. We have to make it a little bit smaller, but okay. And then, as you can see, this word is too clear, so we have to blur it a little bit. Now let's change the color of this text layer. Click here, then just take the color from the other word. Now you have to raster this layer, click here, and then at the very top click on filter, select blur, and click on Gaussian blur. And now you can just blur this word a bit. And here's the result. So hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.